In all the tunas I've been making in this channel, this is one of the best among them because this tuna is for all skin types, being it oily skin, normal skin combination, hydrated, dehydrated. It doesn't matter. This tuna will give you smooth face. It will give you balanced pH face. It will brighten your face also, and then it will clear all dark spots and also sunburn. This tuna will take care of your sunburn if you're suffering from it. So in a nutshell, this tuna is perfect for all skin type and for all skin issues on your face, for all face issues. So welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time in this channel, please subscribe, like this video, and feel free to share. So the first ingredients we used rose water. Rose water are soothing, they are hydrating, they are very, very good for face. They are very good for general skincare, everything. So the next ingredients we use aloe vera juice. You know how aloe vera juice, in terms of repair, if you want to repair your face, if you want to repair your damaged skin, being it face, hands, feet, just incorporate aloe vera, being it aloe vera juice, aloe vera gel, or anything aloe vera to your skincare product. It will gradually repair your damaged area. So aloe vera juice or aloe vera in general is very, very good when it comes to skincare. So beware, raw aloe vera used to darken people's skin, like raw aloe vera. Just beware of that because this cosmetic grade aloe vera juice, so feel free to use it. It's not going to darken your face. In fact, it will even brighten your face. So you're welcome, okay? So the next ingredient is niacinamide. It's balancing pH of the skin. It's brightening. It takes care of oily skin. It takes care of dry skin. It also takes care of dark spots and pimples. It's a very, very powerful ingredient and a very, very known ingredient in skincare formulations. You do not want to sleep on incorporating niacinamide in your skincare production. It's very good. Like, I like using it because I see results. Just make sure you source your ingredients in a right supplier. The moment your ingredients are active, like the moment your actives are very, very, they are authentic, you have nothing to worry about, okay? So here we are going to just dissolve it. Niacinamide is water soluble, so we are just dissolving it in our liquid mixture. We're not going to preheat this, so just take your time, be patient, and dissolve this in your in your rose water and aloe vera juice, okay? So after that, like I said, this formula is simple yet effective. You can give this tuna to anyone. Like, I can stamp my name on this tuna. Just give it to anyone that's suffering from uneven skin tone, dark spots, pimples, sunburn, or anything. Just give it to that person and then watch the magic happen. So that's all. Glycerin for hydration, then preservative to preserve the product. And then you we test the pH. You are expected to get that kind of 5 to 5.5. Is very, very okay. The pH work better that way. And then you are good to go. You have your very, very effective. I'm so happy for this formula you get because I tried it and then it's awesome. I'm happy to share. That's why you see me laughing. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like I said. Turn on the bell notification. feel free to comment if you have any questions. And then also we do train if you want to learn how to formulate skincare product from scratch, effective skincare product that will fetch you a lot of money. Bye.